Hey there, welcome to the world of Python. Today we are going to learn functions. Why do we need functions? Imagine you want to make a pizza 10 times. Would you write the full recipe 10 times? No, you write the recipe once and just say make pizza whenever you want. What is a function? Think of a function like a chicken recipe. You put everything in, such as ingredients. The machine does some work, and it gives you something back, like a delicious cookie. In Python, we use function to avoid repeating code. Make a code cleaner and easier to read. And easier to fix bugs. In Python, function is a block of code. It takes some input. Some input does something and gives back a result. How to define a function in Python? So we have the keyword def means define. We have function name. Have inputs. Inputs 1, input 2. Input 1, input 2 are also called parameters. So then we write some code. Code goes here. Return result. So the return is optional. So now, let's look at several examples of function. The first is no input, no output. So the keyword def, great. No input. Print, hello. No return. So how to call this function? We just call the function name and let's run it. So you see the output, hello. This is we call the function greet and print hello. The second example is we have input, but no output. Same keyword, define, say hello. Name is the input. We print plus name. So then let's call the function. Say hello. We give the input Alex. Let's run the program. You see, hello Alex. Let's call the function again. Joseph. Run the program. Say hello Joseph. Then we call the function again. So we see, hello Alex, hello Joseph, hello Claire. So we write the function. Then we can call the function several times. Avoid the repeated work. Third, we have third case, the function with input and output. So let's define a function to add two numbers. So A and B are input. Result equals A plus B. Now we return the result. Let's call the function and also print the result. So let's run the program. So we have the result 3 plus 19 equals 22. So that's the end of the class. If you like the video, please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.